Today I'm starting something I've been dreaming about since pretty much since I moved into the new house. It's a bathroom makeover. I've been dealing with this horrible shower with absolutely no pressure. I've been taking showers with a little bit of drizzle from this bad shower. Yes, you can totally understand my excitement. So the plan is to have a whole new sink and faucet combo and actually making the shower feel luxurious. And luckily, one of my old friends is a plumber, and he's going to help me install the shower and the faucet, because if there's something I don't know anything about, it's plumbing, and I just don't want to try myself. You need an expert for that. So yes, I'm really excited for this makeover. But hey, I did manage to install this tiny shelf myself. And while he is naughty at times, he is mostly very, very adorable. We're trying to learn all the basics: sit, down, stay, but he's still a puppy, but we're learning. Oh my God. Alvar? It's definitely good for me. It's good that I get daily breaks, daily walks, where we can just relax a little bit and not think about remodeling, which is good for both of us. I ran into a little bit of a problem here because I wanted to move the lamp for obvious reasons, but there's a hole in the tile. So if I move it, there will be a hole in the wall, which I don't like. I think I'm just gonna leave the lamp here for now and then see if I can find a lamp that covers the whole thing. I'm just giving the pipes a light sand, so I can repaint them. There, first layer done. Now I need to wait 12 hours, paint it again, and then we can start another fun job out here. I haven't quite decided on the color for the ceiling yet. I think I need to see it all white first, and then I can decide. The reason why I painted white first is because I'm afraid that all these nuts will show if I just paint the color. So now I'm giving it one, maybe twice with this white primer, and hopefully they won't show. I come to the conclusion that there's one thing I hate more than painting. That's painting the ceiling. Almost done. It definitely needs 2 layers, so I'm gonna wait a day or 2 for it to dry, and then paint it again, and then decide on the color. Second layer done, and I want to show you something. It might be hard to see here because of the light, but this is the color I've chosen for the ceiling. It's called Freshly Cut Oak, and it's designed by Norm Architects for the paint brand Blue. I think it's gonna look nice. It's gonna be a little dark, but with the white tile walls from the ceiling to the floor, I think it will look good.